In the heart of the Caribbean, a mother's spirit shines bright. Through sleepless nights and heartfelt prayers, she nurtures
From a
her
little
son with
island in the
unwavering
Caribbean,
faith
son,
and love.
I was a single mother
Every
raising
hurdle
just one
becomes a
son. My
stepping
mother is the
stone.
driving force
Every
behind
challenge
every
a
step I
lesson.
take.
As he steps onto the world stage, her legacy echoes in his triumphs.
I watched my
She is the
son rise to
strength
the world
behind his
stage.
dreams,
My mother is
proving
the
a mother's
driving
love
force
can
behind
change
every step
destinies
I
and
take.
uplift nations.
As a single mother, I work paycheck to paycheck, helping one child through university here and another in Jamaica. My book shares how I found strength in the struggle.
The mother behind the pen.
From Jamaica to the nation, this voice is heard again and again. A Chevening Scholar, an award-winning journalist, and the mother behind the pen. Sejam Suva.
Yes, from Jamaica.